The 85th edition of the Volta Catalunya cycling race took place from May 16 to May 22, 2005, in Catalonia, Spain. It began in Salou with a team time trial and ended in Barcelona. Yaroslav Popovych won the first major win of his career. Stages: 1605 to 2005, Salou, 20.1 kilometers, TTT. 1705 to 2005, Cambrils, 186.8 kilometers. 1805 to 2005, Salou La Granada, 157.8 kilometers. 1905 to 2005, Perafort Palarinsel, 237.7 kilometers. 2005 to 2005, Somas Ordino Arcalis, 17 kilometers. 2105 to 2005, Livia Paleja, 198.7 kilometers. 2205 to 2005, Paleja Barcelona, 113.1 kilometers. General standings: classification, points classification, best team, external links, race website.